For announcements that you make and for certain activities that you do in Google Classroom, you do receive notifications. And if you want to go ahead and change those notification settings, then what you can do is you can go around and click on the class settings gear icon right here when a particular classroom is opened, and you need to go around and scroll down. And over here you can see that classroom on the stream is an option over here. So if I were to go around and expand this, then you can see that I have an option to show attachment and details in attachments and detail right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So I can see all of the details over here. What I can also do is I can show condensed notification or hide out notification altogether. So if I were to go around and hit the save button, then what happens is that I will get attachments and other details accordingly right here. But if I were to go around and show condensed notifications only, then I only get those notifications, and if I were to hide those notifications, then I don't get any notifications at all. And that is how you can go around and then change how the classwork on the stream works inside of Google Classroom, and how you get notified for the activities that is happening in Google Classroom by using the settings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.